Yeah, check this out, kids. It's the it's a new airlock system that you can just put on your keg. Yeah, I got this. There's actually a hole drilled into the lid, and these lids are made for the Cornelius kegs. And check it out, it's bubbling right now. Blurp, bloop, 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 bloop. Yeah, it's pretty awesome. Fits right on there. I bought this one at Adventures in Homebrewing. Yeah, look at that. Gloop, gloop. Blurp, blurp, blurp. Yeah, I think the lid with the stopper and the upper airlock cost me about $11-12. And it came, yeah, with the lid, and the O-ring is in there as well. But yeah, it just fits right on there perfectly. And yeah, I got tired of using my old plastic fermenter, and I got a couple of these kegs going anyway, so I could just siphon the rest out for the next stage of carbonation. Yeah, look at that thing. Look at that thing go, yo. Yeah. Bloop, 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 bloop. Yeah. Yeah, so I just keep 2.5 gallon kegs, so I can actually stick it in my fridge. I can put a tap faucet on there and then dispense from the refrigerator itself. When it's ready after the conditioning part. But yeah, check it out. Yeah, of course, this thing is just made of plastic. This is just rubber. The lid is the standard, metal lid that comes on your Cornelius kegs. Yeah, look at that thing. Gloop, gloop. Pretty cool, man. I mean, yeah, of course you can build this yourself if you want to. You drill the hole, you gotta sand down the sides, though. Make sure you don't have any shrapnel in there or something. Yeah. Yep. We're in the basement right now. It's the coolest part. This is actually a lager. Simple recipe, that's all. But yeah, check the kegger. Alright, kids. More to come, hopefully. I'm so busy with my other channels. Kind of producing music, an album, my main site, my Squirrel site, taking care of all my art projects. But, yeah, I'll try to make more videos, hopefully, in the future. Alright, anyway, kids, I'll see you later. Bye.